Everybody's talking about these on TikTok and Amazon. So I got it, and we're going to take a look at it and see what we think. Here's the info on them. You guys can screenshot that stuff. Anyway, I think I got 6 of them. Let's find out. I can get the box open. Oh yeah. So basically, here's your user manual. And then you got stakes in there. It's plastic, it's not steel like the other one that I bought. So it is 6 of them. Let's set those over there. And then each one, oh look, they've got more anchors that you can use. And they're, yeah. Let's check them out. Looks pretty simple, really. I mean, yeah. Basically, all right, so this is it right here. Check it out. So it's basically the light, the solar panel, there's your on button, and bam, Bob's your uncle. We put it together. Right, so let's take a look at it. You gotta pull that off. And I do believe we have to pull that one off. Yeah, all right. So this is the LED. It looks pretty good. Here is, you can tighten this, see, for your angle. You follow me? So when you figure out where you're gonna put it, and then basically all you do is, this is it, man. And then you stake that bad boy. Then you stake it. That's it. So here it is. We're gonna put a bunch of them out there. Set that one down because that one's ready to go. One more time so you can see. Pop it out, reach in, pull that out of there. Got to take this off, put it down there. Take that off, put it down there. This baby's ready to go. Then we'll tighten it a little bit, and then we'll figure out where we're gonna put it. To get it ready for the dirt, bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, that's it, man. That's one right there. So now we got 2. Let's get another one. And so the whole process is the same, right? First of all, you gotta get them out of the wrapper and pull this stuff off. Nice looking solar panel. I think they're good. Tighten her down until we figure out where we're gonna angle it. Stick our stick in. Cha-ching. Set her over here. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna put them all out today and we'll see how it does. See if it's really, the hype is worth the cost. We'll find out, right? Tighten her down. This opens up too. That's interesting. Shove her in. You could also screw it on onto a pole or something. But I think I'm going to spike all these and do trees. You follows me? I might put 1 or 2 on a pole. I don't know. We'll see. But first, let's just go ahead and get them ready to go. All right, tighten her down. So like what I could do is I could screw this down onto a pole. I would have to take it off of here by unscrewing that and then screw this in. They do give us a bunch of these to do it with, right? So you guys can do that too. But let's just go ahead and get them all spikely ready, you know what I'm saying? Last one, last but not least. So it doesn't take long to get it ready to go, as you can see. I mean, last spike, bam, Bob's your uncle. Dang it, looking good. All right, we're ready to put these in the ground. Now the question is, where are we gonna put them? Get that other thing out of there. All right, so that's it right there. You get them on TikTok Shop or Amazon. I bought this off Amazon, so. All right, so now we got 6 of them. We gotta stick some in the ground.